Did you know that over 10 to 15% of engine performance failures in the United States are linked to ignition system problems, and many of them start right after a simple spark plug change? That's right. A job that most people consider basic maintenance has quietly destroyed thousands of engines. Not because the spark plugs were bad, but because they were installed incorrectly. One wrong heat range, one improperly tightened plug, or one small gap mistake can trigger misfires, overheating, compression loss, and even catastrophic engine damage weeks later. In today's video, we are exposing the 11 spark plug changing mistakes that turn a $100 tune-up into a $4,000 engine repair. Stick with this video until the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that has destroyed more engines than blown head gaskets. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes. Mistake number 11, using the wrong spark plug type. One of the fastest ways to damage an engine is installing spark plugs that don't match the manufacturer's exact specifications. Heat range, reach length, thread size, and electrode design are not close enough parts. They are precision matched to your engine's combustion chamber. A plug that runs too hot can cause pre-ignition, where fuel ignites before the piston reaches the proper position, leading to piston damage or melted electrodes. A plug that runs too cold can foul quickly, causing misfires, poor fuel economy. Even using the wrong material, like copper instead of iridium, can overload ignition coils and shorten their lifespan. This mistake often doesn't cause instant failure, which makes it even more dangerous because the damage builds quietly over thousands of miles. Mistake number 10, incorrect spark plug gap. Spark plug gap errors are one of the most underestimated causes of engine damage in the U.S. According to emissions testing data, improper spark plug gaps can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 30% and increase exhaust emissions by nearly 50%. A gap that's too wide forces ignition coils to work harder. This leads to premature coil failure, which is a repair that often costs hundreds of dollars. A gap that's too tight weakens the spark and leads to incomplete combustion and repeated misfires. These misfires raise exhaust temperatures, which can damage catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and even pistons. Over time, persistent misfires also increase carbon buildup inside the engine. What looks like a millimeter difference ends up becoming a multi-thousand-dollar problem. Mistake number 9, over-tightening the spark plugs. Over-tightening spark plugs is one of the most common DIY mistakes reported by U.S. repair shops. Modern engines overwhelmingly use aluminum cylinder heads, which are significantly softer than the steel threads on spark plugs, many of which start with, "I just changed the plugs myself." Over-tightening stretches and weakens the threads, making future removal dangerous or impossible, causing the spark plug to overheat internally. This overheating can lead to electrode failure, misfires, and even cracking of the plug itself. Once threads are damaged, repairs often require thread inserts or complete cylinder head replacement. What should be a routine maintenance job suddenly becomes a 4-figure repair bill. Mistake number 8, under-tightening the spark plugs. While over-tightening gets most of the attention, under-tightening is equally destructive and far more deceptive. A loose spark plug cannot properly seal the combustion chamber. U.S. technicians frequently report cylinder head damage caused by prolonged exhaust gas leakage from under-tightened plugs. In extreme cases, combustion pressure can force the spark plug to eject from the engine while driving and damage the ignition coils, wiring, and nearby fuel components instantly. Even before catastrophic failure, under-tightened plugs cause ticking noises, rough idling, and persistent misfires. Drivers often ignore these signs, assuming they are minor issues. By the time the problem is diagnosed, the damage is already done. Mistake number 7, installing spark plugs into a hot engine. Changing spark plugs on a hot engine is a mistake that feels harmless, but it is a mechanical trap. When an engine is hot, aluminum cylinder heads expand more than steel spark change because of this exact mistake. Letting the engine cool fully before installation is not about comfort. It is about protecting the cylinder head threads that your engine depends on. Mistake number 5. Ignoring anti-seize and dielectric grease guidelines. Many people either overuse or completely ignore lubricants during spark plug installation, and both extremes cause problems. Applying anti-seize to plugs that already have coated threads can lead to over-tightening because lubrication alters torque readings. These issues cause misfires that stress ignition coils and increase fuel consumption. Over time, repeated misfires raise combustion temperatures and damage internal engine components. These small details don't feel important, but they quietly shorten engine lifespan with every mile driven. Mistake number 4. Reusing old spark plug washers or seals. Many spark plugs use crush washers or sealing rings. In the US, technicians frequently report compression leaks caused by reused or damaged washers during DIY plug changes. When an old washer is reused and allow combustion gases to escape past the plug, this leakage leads to localized overheating around the plug hole, which slowly damages the aluminum cylinder head. Over time, your engine may also develop ticking noises, rough idling, or intermittent misfires that drivers often ignore. These symptoms don't feel urgent, but they steadily erode engine health. What should have been a fresh seal becomes a slow-burning engine problem. Mistake number 1. Installing spark plugs without cleaning the plug wells. Spark plug wells often collect dirt, especially in high-mileage US vehicles. Removing old plugs without cleaning the wells first allows debris to fall directly into the combustion chamber. Even tiny particles can scratch cylinder walls or damage valves. Debris accelerates wear every time the piston moves. Ignoring this step means the new plugs are installed into a dirty environment. This mistake turns routine maintenance into internal engine damage. The bottom line of this video is, spark plugs may be small, but they operate at the heart of the combustion process. One wrong